Lentil curry is a great dish to have in your repertoire, and this M&S parsnip, spinach and lentil curry is my seasonal twist. Peel 750 grams of parsnips and slice them into thick rounds. Put the slices on the tray and sprinkle them with 2 tablespoons of M&S roasted curry powder and a good pinch of salt. Drizzle with 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil and mix well to coat them evenly. Pop them in the oven for 30 minutes until they're roasted and golden. In a large saucepan, heat a tablespoon of vegetable oil on high. Add a finely chopped onion and cook for 6 to 8 minutes. Add 4 cloves of finely chopped garlic and cook for another 2 minutes. Lower the heat, add another tablespoon of curry powder and stir well for 2 minutes. Add 400 grams of red lentils along with a litre of water. Stir well and bring it up to a gentle simmer for 15 minutes before adding a 400 gram can of coconut milk, cooking for another 5 minutes. Grab your roasted parsnips and add 3/4 of them to the lentils. Add 150 grams of baby spinach and stir well until it wilts. Then season to taste with salt and pepper. For a delicious chili butter topping, melt 50 grams of butter in a small saucepan over a high heat. Stir in 2 thinly sliced red chilies. Cook for 2 minutes. Serve your curry into bowls and top with the remaining roasted parsnip. Spoon over some chili butter and serve it with M&S garlic naans on the side. Amazing flavour from affordable ingredients. What more could you want? I've got loads more recipes using the best of British produce from M&S. Click the link for some seasonal inspiration.